Magical Bali. Bali is unique, Bali is unmatched. There is no other place like Bali in this world. A magical blend of culture, people, nature, activities, weather, culinary delights, nightlife, and beautiful accommodation. Bali is rated as one of the best travel destinations in the world by countless websites, review portals, and travel magazines each year, for very good reasons. Bali, Indonesia's most famous island, is located to the west of Java in the Lesser Sunda Islands. It is world-renowned for its scenic rice terraces, fragrant cuisine, stunning beaches and a galore of culture and tradition. With its elaborate temples, endless coastline, some of the world's best coral reefs, waterfalls and retreats, Bali combines leisure and adventure impeccably. Dizzying combination of spiritual awakening and hard partying all into one, Bali is where people from all over the world come to lose themselves in. The island boasts some of the best sunsets and sunrises, enough to captivate and entice you into never leaving this place. Home to the coral reefs of Tulu, the mountain peaks of Kintamani, the beaches and scenic routes of Seminyak and Kuta, with ancient temples and traditional village life of Ubud, Bali's charm is boundless, as are its opportunities for fun.